Hello! Today I want to make my beloved side dish, the egg roll. Actually, it goes well with rice, but it's also great with a glass of beer. I love to have it both ways. This dish is warm, soft, and reminds me of that my mother made them for me when I was a child. I'm not exactly sure why, but egg rolls are always a preferred delicacy and they are often featured in Korean TV shows at home dinner tables. Also, once I bragged to a foreign friend the cooking pictures that I cooked, and he showed the most interest in the seaweed egg roll. So I think you will probably like it too. In this video, we are going to make 4 different kinds of egg rolls using 4 main ingredients. Now, let's get started. First, in a bowl, combine 5 eggs, 50 milliliters of milk, and a half teaspoon of salt. The preparation is already done. Now we are going to roll fry the eggs and seaweed. Pour a little mixed egg and add seaweed before the eggs are well cooked so that it gets mixed into the eggs. Now we roll it with a spatula. Pour a little more egg and roll it, and repeat it. It's really easy, right? Our next one is a crab stick egg roll. Please make the egg mix just like we did earlier. Add the crab stick and roll it as well. Now you may know how to make the cheese egg roll. And our last one is the veggies egg roll. Well, usually I just roll it, but today I would like to make it prettier. So let's chop the veggies finely and separate the eggs whites and yolks. Add the chopped veggies and salt into the whites and add milk into the yolks. Please roll fry the whites first and yolks next. To slice them easier, I will slice them after letting them cool down a bit. It's done. Now there you go. We have 4 types of Korean-style egg rolls. Thank you for watching this video, and I will be back with another nice recipe next week. See you!